Hi guys, so I just wanted to go over from your notes yesterday. You have this sheet from yesterday's notes in class. We had skipped over examples 3 and 4. They are just a little bit more, few more steps than examples 1 and 2 that we did in class yesterday. So you might want to pause the video and try example 3 on your own and then check with my solution. So in example 3, I'm going to start by distributing. So I have 3r minus 15 equals 14 plus 6r minus 3r. We're going to combine like terms on the right side. So I'm bringing these down. 3r minus 15 equals 14 plus 3r. If I tried to get my r's together, I would subtract 3r on both sides. And you'll notice that your variables all cancel out. You're left with only numbers, and you're left with a false statement. When I have only numbers left and a false statement, 14 does not equal negative 15. This tells me that the answer is that there's no answer, no solution. Okay. Basically that there's no value in the world that could replace r to get the two sides of the equation to be equal to each other. All right, and example 4 is similar. So I would pause the video and try this one on your own. There are a lot of like terms to be combined in distributive property. So on the left side, I have negative 2y and negative 4y, which is negative 6y. I'm bringing down the plus 8. I'm going to distribute negative 3y minus 9. And I can combine negative y and negative 2y to give me negative 3y plus 17. Combining again, I have negative 3y and negative 3y gives me negative 6y, and negative 9 and negative 7 and positive 17 give me positive 8. When I have exactly the same thing on both sides, right, same exact expression, then everything will cancel out. If I add 6y, these cancel. If you subtract 8, these cancel. And you get basically no numbers again, or no variables, again, only numbers. But this time you get a true statement. 0 does equal 0, or 8 does equal 8. So the answer to this is everything. All real numbers make this equation true. Every number in the world works in this equation. So you'll notice that there are only numbers left again, but this time you have a true statement. The same thing on both sides. They are both equal. Okay? And I'm going to give you another video where I'm going to go over homework also, and that should help you with tonight's homework. Okay, bye.